Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to IELTS Maximum by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. In this video, सब चीजें छोड़ दें, grab your pen, plug in your earphones, and we are going to start our IELTS listening latest mock test for 2025 aspirants because this test contains that sort of audio which is leaked. So this test is very important for you guys to raise your IELTS listening score from this to this. So I will play the audio, okay, and the questions will come on your screen as well. In this video, we are going to crack the section 1 of this listening mock test, and it contains 10 fill in the blanks test. So answer will be displayed later in the video, but be true to yourself, be honest with yourself. So plug in your earphones. We are going to start the test very soon. So I am going to play the audio. Listen carefully because it is only being played by one. Okay, you guys can do the practice by making this video to run faster at 1.5x 1.25x if you want to make it more difficult for you guys. It's the choice is yours. Okay, so let's start the listening test. So here we go. Plug in your earphones and this test is now being started. So you can comment your right answers and compare it with the right answers which I am going to show at the end of the video. Okay, so let's start.
Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Excuse me,
Yes?
I wonder if you could spare a few minutes to do a survey on transport. It won't take long.
No, that's fine.
Oh, lovely. The survey is on behalf of the local council. They'd like to know about what transport you use and any suggestions for improvement. Can I start by asking you how you travelled to town today?
Sure, I came on the bus.
Great. Now, can I get a few details about yourself?
Okay.
What's your name?
It's Louisa
Yes.
Hardy.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, it's Hardie.
Great, thanks. And can I have your address?
It's 19 Whitestone Road.
Oh, right, I know that area. It's Bradfield, isn't it?
That's right.
Is the postcode GT7?
It's actually GT8 2LC.
Great. And could I ask what your job is? Are you a student?
I've actually just finished my training. I'm a hairdresser.
Oh, right. And one more question in this section. What is the reason for you coming into town today?
Actually, it's not for shopping today, which would be my normal reason, but to see the dentist.
Right. Thanks.
Before you hear the rest of the interview, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10.
So मैं आपको इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ. 1 to 5 questions have been done. I hope आपने अपने आंसर्स को लिख लिया होगा कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने पास. ठीक है, नाउ हम 6 to 10 क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पर लेके आ रहे हैं जिनको आपको सोल्व करना है. ठीक है, सो डोंट चीट विद योरसेल्फ, जस्ट फोकस करें सुनने पे, फोकस करें उस जो सिनेरियो है उसको इमेजिन करें. ठीक है, बिफोर वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो 30 सेकंड्स हैं आप लोगों के पास. आप 6 to 10 क्वेश्चंस को देख सकते हैं. पहले एक बार उन पे नज़र मार लें, देन ऑडियो आपके सामने खुद ब खुद प्ले हो जाएगी बिकॉज इट्स अ रियल टाइम एग्जाम.
Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Now, in this last section, I'd like you to give us some ideas about the facilities and arrangements in the city for getting to and from work. Any suggestions you have for improvements?
Well, something I've thought about for some time is that when I do walk and I'm doing a later shift, I think the lighting should be better.
Yes, good point.
And of course, I think it's a real shame they've been cutting down on the number of footpaths. They should have more of those. Then people would walk more.
Yes, right.
And I don't think there are enough trains. That's why I don't use them. You have to wait so long.
Thanks. And finally, I'd like to ask your opinion on cycling. As you may know, there's a drive in the city to get more people to cycle to work.
Right.
But we realise that there are things which the council, but also employers, might do to help encourage workers to cycle to work.
Yeah. Well, I have thought about it, and where I work, there are no safe places to leave your bikes.
Okay.
And also, I'd have to cycle uphill, and on a hot day, I'd arrive at work pretty sweaty, so I think I'd need a shower somewhere at work.
Right.
And I suppose the last thing is that I wouldn't be all that confident about cycling on such busy roads. I think I'd like to see you offering training for that. You know, I'd feel a lot better about starting if that was the case.
Well, that's very helpful. Thank you very much for your time.
No problem. Bye.
That is the end of section 1.
So we are stopping here. That is the end of section 1. I hope आपको 10 के 10 क्वेश्चंस को आपको समझ आया होगा. मेरी आप लोगों को सजेशन यही है कि आप अभी आंसर्स की तरफ मत जाएं, ठीक है. अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन या कहीं से आपको लिसनिंग में मसला आया है, वीडियो स्टॉप करें, बैक जाएं, दोबारा सुने, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय योर ओन सेल्फ. नहीं सॉल्व होगा फिर आप बेशक आंसर्स की तरफ दें. अगर आपको लिसनिंग का टेस्ट ये पसंद आया है एंड इफ यू वांट मोर टेस्ट टू बी prepared by me, so do hit the subscribe button, do touch the bell icon, then do share with your friends who are going to take the IELTS exam very soon, because it is very important. जब तक आपकी सुनने की ताकत अच्छी नहीं होगी, आपको उसके मुकाबले में जवाब भी बनाना नहीं आएगा. So I hope आपको ये टेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा, because I have left no stone unturned कि मैं आपके लिए वो रियल टाइम जो रिसेंट जो हमारे पास IELTS के लिसनिंग मॉक टेस्ट आ रहे हैं, जो लेटेस्ट हैं मार्केट में, वो आपके लिए लेके आऊँ ताकि आप उस पर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट द प्रैक्टिस विच मेक्स यू लिसनिंग बेटर. और आपका बैंड स्कोर 7 से 9 पे जंप होता है. और ये कोई वो मिरेकल वाली बात नहीं है कि 40 आ सकते हैं कि नहीं आ सकते, 40 आते हैं, ठीक है. सो आपने घबराना नहीं है, परेशानी होना. मोर IELTS लिसनिंग टेस्ट आपके पास आ रहे हैं. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टेक केयर, हाफिज़, बाय बाय.